The man in the photograph is Dinka Chala, 31 years old, killed, the mourners at his funeral insist, by government soldiers. It's the latest funeral here in the Oromo region, a short drive from the Ethiopian capital, where protesters and troops have clashed over a development plan to expand Addis Ababa onto Oromo land. But Dinka's mother insists he was not part of the protest. He's a teacher, she said. They shot him while he was on his way to recharge his phone. He was shot, but he didn't do anything wrong. He died innocent, she said. The Oromo people are the biggest of Ethiopia's many diverse ethnic groups. This is the Oromo region. The government's urban plan, or master plan as it's known, is to expand Addis Ababa outwards, linking up surrounding towns with new infrastructure. Ethiopia's economy is growing at an astonishing rate, double digits for a decade, and with an ambitious plan to develop its way out of poverty. But the government has been accused of being too authoritarian in its approach. Here at the funeral, as in many parts of Oromo, people are opposed to the development, saying it threatens their communities. But the government says it is considering people's opinions.
The issue should not have escalated to the current stage, and innocent people should not have been injured or killed. It was sad that the situation escalated into unnecessary destruction of property and loss of human lives.
Although the mourners say Dinka had nothing to do with the protest, the demonstrations have turned violent. Just down the road, 4 people were killed and 10 injured, locals say, after a police station was burnt down. Demonstrations are rare in Ethiopia, and this Oromo anger over urban planning is an expression of much older complaints over a lack of political and economic inclusion. Alistair Leith, BBC News, Nairobi.